Welcome to JH. Recently, Amazon agreed to a $2.5 billion settlement after the FTC pointed out that they've basically been kidnapping customers into Prime memberships. Apparently, enrolling people without clear consent and making the cancellation button harder to find than a needle in a haystack is actually frowned upon. The settlement includes a cool $1 billion in civil penalties and $1.5 billion in refunds for the victims. Honestly, if you've ever tried to cancel Prime, you know it's less like a subscription and more like trying to break up with a cult that has your credit card on file. So who gets a piece of the pie? If you were accidentally signed up or found yourself trapped in a cancellation loop between June 2019 and June 2025, you might be eligible for a refund. Whether you get paid depends on which sneaky enrollment method you fell for and how many Prime benefits you actually used. Some people will receive automatic refunds of up to $51. This applies if you signed up through a challenged flow, like that confusing shipping page, and used no more than 3 benefits in a year. $51 whole. Don't spend it all at once on a single organic avocado. If the money doesn't magically appear in your account within 90 days, don't worry, you can still submit a claims form. To qualify, you must have used fewer than 10 Prime benefits in a year and prove you were genuinely stuck. Amazon is supposed to send out these forms to eligible customers within 30 days after the automatic refunds are processed. You'll then have 180 days to jump through their hoops online or by mail. Because after making it impossible to cancel, they're definitely going to make the refund process a total breeze, right? Keep an eye out for their official website for all the details, and subscribe for more updates on how to get your money back from our corporate overlords.